Yes, we are going to make one iron door. This is going to be historical.
2 doors.
We are going to make 2 iron doors, one historical reconstruction and one free will. This is going to be the biggest blacksmithing
challenge.
This is going to be one of the biggest blacksmithing challenge I have done until now. And on this project, I've teamed up with Hans, and we are going to make the historical reconstruction. So first of all, we need to go around Sweden to see if we can find some iron doors. Let's do it.
Hey, if you want to skip this, there's a timestamp. Press it.
Alltså, vi må kommunicera här. Yes, timestamp. Slow motion and good music, good elements. Doesn't look that good though when I take those effects away. I wouldn't use elegant as a word. The reality was a bit different. Oh, look at this. And here's another one. Look at this cute. Aw, it's wood. Well, it is iron. Something, it's a thing. Look, another one. Ooh. Oh, it's nice. Another one! It's even more beautiful. Ooh, this is nice. What is this? You know what? I could live here, absolutely. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, an iron door. It's open. Oh, it's a cellar. Oh, beauty. What's inside? Ooh. Okay, this is dark. Ooh, this is big. It's open. Wow. I have no clue where I am. Ooh. Now, 5th time the charm. Good day. Iron door. Here we have another one. Ah, it's quite heavy. It's a big one. Maybe this is the one. Yeah, it's... So, iron door, I've seen a lot and I reached conclusion that this is the one I would like to make. So I got with me Hans. Hello Hans.
Hey everyone.
And we are going to reconstruct this door from 1602. 1602? From 1602. 1602. 1604. I'll leave the details of the door down below. Take forth the pencil and let's start measuring. These are quite new. The same with these. And those plates, which is here, we're gonna take away the cross. These ones is covering the mark, so these have been put on later.
One possibility could be that this door was moved from one doorway to another, and the new one had already, I don't know what to call it in English, the thing that the door hangs in. And in the original place, this hinge was down here. And they put this plate to cover the marks. The holes are pretty much aligned all the way through, maybe, and that's why this logo is covered. From here to here is 450 millimeters, and from center of there to here is also 450. So if it is that they moved the door to another doorway, they probably adjusted this hinge from here to here. And this hinge from there to there. Because these are way too thin to have been hinges before. I think they're covered up. So these will be like... So we're gonna take those, take it down there, remove those. Same thing down here, we're gonna move this one down there. Take away the cross. The rivets here, because the plate is removed. And we do see that behind
Give me your hands.
Yeah. Here's just a small fraction of the old plate, and there's a rivet in it right here. There's no hole on the cover-up plate on the opposite side. So that's probably, I don't know,
a new one.
Pretty good evidence of our theory.
Yes. So that means the hinges is going down.
If we use wrought iron to produce the plates, they're gonna be fucking beautiful. So let the plates do the talking.
We are now on the way to Västgöta Station. Nation. Västgöta Station. That be the station. Nation. Västgöta Nation. The Västgöta Station. Nation. Because I do have a little suspicion that the door has been longer than what it is in a museum because it's been reconstructed. Västgöta Nation. I will leave the description below. But we're on the way now to see where the iron door has been before. It burned down in 1702. And it's not a station.
It's a nation. It's an old student fraternity in Upsala.
It looks like it is this building. So it's one of three doors. We have this one, which could have been the entrance door, or the one which go further in.
The hinge thingies, and this one. But it's on the wrong side of the door, so it's probably not this one.
So this is the building, and the most possible door is the one inside here, which is the entrance door. It is of course possible. It is one of those two doors on the inside, but it doesn't quite match. And it's quite much longer, the entrance, than the one in the museum. And that makes sense, since the lower part has been rusted away. This is nice! Well, we now covered the historical, the concept, and the reason why we're making the iron door and what we are making. It is gonna be a couple of videos each door, because it is a big project. A series maybe? The next video is gonna be more of forging the parts, so it's gonna be via forging, hammer, bang bang bang. So we have two doors we're gonna make. This is the first door in the first episode series part of this video. So thanks for watching, and as always, until next time.